guys, this is Nina Perez and this is Memoirs of a Fat Girl. This is PJ, your fitness concierge. We are here today on episode 73. Woo! 73? 73. We have been really rocking. I mean, today is not bad out here. It's 45 degrees. We say not bad because we were out here one day at 26 degrees.
There you go.
So this feels like summertime. Anyway, we want you to be a part of this community. Make sure that you click below, click like, click the bell notification, and make sure you share the videos. So we are here on a healthy journey from P.H.A.T, fat, yes, I did say the word fat, to P.H.A.T, which is pretty healthy and terrific in real time. I'm not trying to come on here and be like, you know, this is so discouraging. When you go on a show, or I mean, when you go on a video or a program or something like that, and they show you a picture of somebody fat, and then they show you the same picture of them being like 100 pounds less. But the journey isn't documented, right? Like the way you F up sometimes, the way you eat you're not supposed to eat, the way you get your sugar cravings, the way you can't sleep at night, and what does that mean? Like all of that isn't documented, so you really like think, oh, if I take this shake, I'll be that.
Right. You
know?
Or the magic pill.
Yeah.
Or, you know, the cream that I rub on my problem areas.
Yeah, with a strap. I've tried all of it. I've tried it all. My fat ass still has to come every single time and still do the workouts, right?
That's right.
There's no way
There's
around it.
There's no shortcuts.
There's no shortcuts.
Think about it like this. If you're unhappy with your body and how it looks and the weight you've gained, think about how you gained that weight. You didn't just eat one spoonful of something and be like, oh my goodness, what happened? That happened day after day, a habitual kind of way you were thinking and eating. Okay, now to take it off is going to require the same kind of habitual exercise in terms of being disciplined and regimented, and you'll have great days, and then you'll have so not great days. You'll have great successes, and you'll have those days where you're like, I don't believe I ate the whole thing, I just had to eat it. Okay, it happens, but it is a journey.
It's a tough one too. I don't like it. I tell PJ that even like I now have an automatic button. Like as soon as I know that you're going to be here, right? I got to be accountable to you. So you're going to be here. This is what we're doing. I get up and I go.
That's it.
Right? Because I need somebody to be accountable to. I am the type of person who, if I'm not accountable when it comes to my weight anyway, I rationalize it to death. You know? I'm tired. I'll do it later. I'll do tomorrow double. So when I know that I'm accountable to someone, that makes me more reliable and accountable to that person because I know I'm not going to let them down. So I want to encourage you guys too, like we're here as a community. So if you need somebody to be accountable as well, we do have a group that is pretty tight. Yep. We rag on each other, we laugh with each other, we love on each other, but we always keep each other accountable. So make sure that you are finding someone you can partner with, even if you're just walking a little bit or something. The whole point is to become healthy. All right? So we will see you at the end of this amazing workout.
See you later. breaking a sweat there.
I'm like Jello for real. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. As you saw, PJ got jokes. As you saw, we really did not stop moving. We barely had water breaks. Actually, we only took our own water breaks. He didn't even give us breaks. I'm sweating up a storm, but I love that because I feel like I've accomplished something and I've worked out. Is that right?
Yep.
Yeah.
And that was just the game plan, to keep the body moving. We warmed up with 5 minutes of jumping rope, and there we just kept doing everything. There was no real water break. If you needed a sip of water, you take it. We're not depriving anybody of water, but we just kept the workout going. Keep it moving, keep it moving, keep it moving.
I mean, it feels like it's 70 degrees out here. That's how hot I am. My legs and arms are like, look, I don't know if you guys can see that, but they're literally shaking. Wow, you worked this out today. Thank you, PJ. That was really awesome. That was really awesome. We're gonna see how this group keeps going, especially now that it's gonna get a little bit more chilly out here. But I'm really enjoying this. I want to thank you, PJ. This is PJ, your fitness concierge, and probably the best fitness guy I know. So you guys, I'm gonna link his information below like I do with all of his videos. And if you want to see what the progression has been with this boot camp, go ahead and sign on and make sure that you subscribe to our channel, because you will see everything from like day one when we were a hot mess.
Ooh, right.
Oh my God, I think we took more breaks than we actually worked out on the first.
Wait a minute, we all only did a half a lap.
Oh, but he's talking about people who literally never worked out to a boot camp. I mean, as a person who is overweight, as a fat girl, I've always been severely intimidated by boot camps. Severely. Spin classes scare the crap out of me. Like all those things, like the fun classes were like the drum classes or the Zumba, you know? Yeah, exactly. Those classes were fun because you're dancing, whatever. But I always wanted to do the other classes, but I get way too scared.
See, now
you make it not scary.
Right,
yeah, you make it not scary. So.
And exercise, it's personal for everybody. And you talk to 10 people, 20 people, 30 people, you'll get 30 different answers why they do what they do and what their bugaboos and their downfalls are, or their fears and phobias. In our community here, we can modify everything, and if you need to go a little bit easier than the rest of the group, awesome sauce. You know, you do you. It's never no. Now I will challenge and I will push strength in intervals and things of that nature, but then we take it back. That's where it's planned and they know it's coming. And then we take it back, we recover, we rest. And even in those, if you can't do it 100%, no problem. You keep doing it until you can.
And don't let anybody give you excuses not to do something either, because, you know, in the beginning I had a lot of naysayers, you know, like, oh, this is too much, or you shouldn't do it that many times, and blah, blah, blah. Let me tell you, when I first started this boot camp, and I don't know if me and PJ had already talked about this, but the first time he did the boot camp, the first boot camp, I said, oh, hell no, I can't do this.
He's trying to kill me.
So I said to him, okay, so we'll see you guys next Saturday. He said, wait a minute. What happened with Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday? I'm thinking to myself, what? If you work out 2 times a week, you should be good.
So, and I will give these guys credit. We're 3 times a week.
3 times a week.
And they do other things in between when they're not here.
Right. Can you do a boot camp every day? No, right?
You want to give your body a break.
Rest, right?
It depends on the intensity, but there's other modalities of fitness and exercise that people should explore.
Yeah, well, I'm doing weightlifting.
That's good.
So I want to do kickboxing. Is that good or no good?
Absolutely.
Yeah?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Try it all.
Yeah, I want to try that. But anyway, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, but don't you dare forget to subscribe to this channel. I'm trying to grow this healthy community. Make sure you click below. Also click the like button and the little bell notification so you don't miss a video. I am coming out with a bunch of healthy holiday treats, but they're going to taste very good. They're going to be very good. I'm going to have to give him at least a big heaping slice of my pumpkin pie, so I don't, you know, he keep hearing how I can't make this healthy. But I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it, bro.
We'll see.
I'm gonna do it. Even if I have to like kill a dozen pumpkins to do it, I'm gonna do it. But stay tuned for that, because the holidays are coming by, and I don't want you guys to make any excuses to like binge out and eat things that are not good for you. But I'd like you to at least try to eat some things that are good for you, so that you're not like completely killing it.
But that being said, Thanksgiving, come on, that's the lead in into Christmas. It's the foodie holiday. It's the start of, yes, we're going to show you how to eat sensibly, eat the things that you love and your family favorites and everything, guilt-free.
Right. And I think that it is okay if you have a day where you're eating great with your family and whatever. The problem is that we don't just do it one day, right? If I'm just talking, big girl to big girl, damn Skippy, that it's not just one meal. Come on. It's not. It really isn't. Like if you're with your family and you have pumpkin pie, coconut pie, whatever you have.
You're trying everything.
And not only are you trying everything, there's leftovers. You know what I'm saying? The next day you trying it again. Like what?
And then the weekend, we eating all weekend.
Exactly. Ain't cooking
we got
all
turkey.
Weekend.
We got stuffing omelets, and we got all this. Everything is turkey.
Turkey, and dessert. Come on, guys. We can't do that to our bodies anymore. I don't know about you, but I'm done. I'm done with doing this to my body. I'm done with hurting this temple. Because the truth of the matter is you only get one. This is one ride. And if you ruin it, that's it. That's all you got. There's no YOLO? No. There's no extra model waiting on the side somewhere, nothing. I thought about that this weekend. I did a podcast actually in a live yesterday on deciding what you want to do, like make a decision and then challenge that decision so you can do it and then change your thinking.
That's it.
Because we really got to get our shit together. I mean, 2020 was a shit show. It's ending up to be a really big shit show. 2021 is around the corner. We can't let 2021 look like 2020. So what are you going to do differently? Start with your health. All right, because when you start there, everything else you can start working on. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching. This is Nina Perez. This is Memoirs of a Fat Girl. This is PJ, your fitness concierge and a guru of all things fitness. Until next time.
Fat out.